Good morning.
Happy Fertilizer Friday. Ooh, look at that.
So it is Fertilizer Friday. Let's talk a little bit about our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. We even have
T-shirts.
t-shirts that say Fertilizer Friday. So let's explain a little bit first off, what is Fertilizer Friday?
It's fertilizer. It's a reminder is
Yeah.
what it is. It's a reminder to fertilize your plants once a week, or if they're indoor house plants, once a month. But it's just that fun little reminder. You like catchy phrases, so Fertilizer Friday fit. And it kind of just caught on and people get all excited for it.
Yeah, it's funny, like in our greenhouses or even online, people are like, it's Fertilizer Friday. So it's a great way to remind people, because we found, like, even with our customers, they weren't remembering to go through and fertilize their plants, give them those nutrients that those plants need.
Right. If you give yourself, it doesn't have to be a Friday, but if you give yourself one day that you're like, every Friday or every Sunday or whatever day you pick, that's the day I'm going to fertilize. It'll stay with you and you'll remember to do a lot.
It creates
better.
a habit.
It does.
It creates a habit, and then you remember, oh yeah, it's Friday, I need to fertilize, as appropriate. If it's raining or whatever, you can skip to the next day, that's fine. But Fertilizer Friday is just that little catchy phrase that we found our customers love it, and they remember to go through and fertilize their plants and flowers.
Now, our fertilizer is the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. And of course, that's what we recommend with our fertilizer. If you're using another fertilizer, don't switch to ours. Just kidding.
True. Give us a try.
You need to follow their directions, not just the instant. So but this is ours that we ship right here from Crivets, Wisconsin. Or there are retailers across the United States that also carry it for us.
Yes.
And you can find that at the beatyourneighbor.com.
You can find a retailer close to you. And speaking of which, we want to highlight one of our brand new retailers, and that's Family Roots Greenhouses in Marshfield, Wisconsin. So we're happy to partner up with them this year. They will be carrying Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer in their greenhouses this year. So Marshfield is kind of west of Wausau, Stevens Point area. So cute greenhouse, great family, Chad and Kristen. And they have their little girls in their pictures too. I follow them.
I
on
love
Facebook.
seeing the families in the greenhouses.
Yeah, because our kids grew up in in our greenhouses. So when we see other greenhouses doing that, it just melts my heart. So I absolutely love that. But anyway, be sure to check out Family Roots Greenhouses in Marshfield, Wisconsin. They are one of our brand new retailers of our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer.
And if you don't have somebody in your area, that you can go on that retailer locator map. And if there's not, you can order it right online and we'll ship it to you.
Yep.
In 48 states.
And then also, when you're out and about this spring and you're in those greenhouses, your local greenhouse, garden center, floral shop, retailers, we're looking for them to carry our fertilizer. So let them know. That really, really makes a big impact and
Word
makes
of
a
mouth
difference.
is huge.
Yeah, because we've had those greenhouses contact us and they're like, hey, I had 10, 15 people walk in my door and say, do you carry the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer? And then guess what? They contact us, and that helps those customers in that local area. They're able to drive through their local garden center, who they shop with, and pick this up. Yeah, so that's an awesome way to make your voice be heard, and that word of mouth is absolutely golden for us. That's how you get the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer locally to you.
So happy Fertilizer Friday.
So we got a lot of things going on in the greenhouse. Today is we've been working lots of hanging baskets. We've had a lot of plant material come in. Mostly the proven winners stuff came in. We have coleus.
Look at that coleus.
For bedding plants. That coleus is absolutely gorgeous.
Let me take one out. Can you take that for me? This plug actually has 2 in it.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
That was pretty.
So pretty.
So we have employees coming in today. We'll be doing our hanging baskets, but also we put a couple people on doing gazanias, coleus into flats. Normally we're not planting flats real early like this, but because some of this stuff is really slow growing, the gazanias especially. Gazanias are so slow to grow. We have to bring them in early to get them going, so that they're ready in time for when we open up in April or May.
Because everybody wants to see everything flowering when they buy it.
Yeah, and gazanias need heat and they need sunshine, and that's That's kind of iffy in northern Wisconsin. We don't get a lot of that, so that's why we have to bring them in really early. So that's one of the things that that we're going to be working on today. Finish up hanging baskets, and I'm going to be fertilizing all the hanging baskets with the Beet Neighbor fertilizer. Today is going to be their first application of the Beet Neighbor fertilizer to get them juiced and really get those nutrients in that soil. So as those roots are growing through the brand new transplant that we did this whole week, those roots will get the nutrients that I need and really give a jump start for these hanging baskets. And they won't look like this for very long. All of a sudden you see that plant grow and the foliage and then the flower starts. A lot of fun.
It'll be beautiful.
So thank you again for joining us live from the greenhouses. And we do this every day. So we show you kind of the progress, and it's a lot of fun to join us because you literally get to see all these plants grow and flower and just flourish and go from hanging baskets that are looking like this to it doesn't take long and all of a sudden they're like this. They're just massive. So it's a lot of fun. So be sure to join us every single day, both on Facebook and YouTube, and to see these videos.
Have a great day.
All right, bye-bye.